Hello, our lovely subscribers to the channel. Welcome back to the channel again. This is your usual Mr. Apia Mensah. In today's video making, I'm actually at a printing press. A printing press. Let me ask you this question. Have you been to a printing press before? I'm not talking about, going to a cafe to do a printing at an internet cafe or something. No, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about an actual printing press where bulk printing is done. Bulk printing of invoices, bulk printing of receipt, bulk printing of so many things, flyers, posters, and all those things. We use printing press machines, not these small printers that are used for. So I came here to make a bulk printing of an invitation, but I thought that it would be necessary to let you also know how the printing press business goes. And today I'm here at Tarkwa in Zimmerline, and I'm at Menliza Printing Press. As you can see here, Menliza Printing Press, and I'm in touch with the owner of this printing press. He's actually Mr. Mensah, and I'm here with him. He's actually doing my work for me, and I want to have a chit chat with him. So please follow along as we have some little conversations with Mr. Mensah. The man will be with us shortly. All right, guys. So we have Mr. Mensah here. Mr. Mensah, come watching. Good. And see, Damra Mekano, your Menliza Printing Press. Mr. Mensah, I'm not with you. Mr. Mensah, and that's it. You know what? Yaba, or we're doing. Now. Many of you there, let's say for the market too now, so also now over to the world. Printing press and Kasa, if you might call the war. Now, the so, if you may agent in machine, you or you have a machine.
From everything.
Everything. All right.
Now, it's on the platform.
Latin.
Yeah.
Okay.
The same company will do.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
See, the design I do on computer, and then there were even a friend master. Lay plate.
Okay.
I'm not a computer design. We are near printer.
Printer. Okay. Normal printer.
Normal printer.
Okay.
A printer, normal printer. Then I push it.
Okay.
To oven so dry.
Okay. Young question oven there. You see, that printer way, that bet you oven.
A printer wall.
A printer wall. Oh yeah. Computer, normal computer. All right. Now, is that bet you oven? Now, but you oven, you are a normal oven here. You use for Oh, okay. Okay. Lovely.
It's not so or try anywhere.
Okay.
You know your friend or master
only
rubber master.
All right, master. So guys, this is just a paper, but the actual name is Rubber Master. That's what Mr. Mensah is telling us. Okay, sir. All right. That's true.
Machine. The machine go here.
Okay.
The paper no go na a print here. All look the
Okay. Okay.
Nti so look bibi dey next number one. Na chi ewi.
Okay.
But so invoice and receipt and card.
Okay.
You bet your receipt dey. No normal.
Okay.
No normal.
Okay.
Nti dey pressure machine. Nti say this is the normal machine.
All right.
Na the aboma waba receipt no.
Okay.
Obaba appear ahade.
Okay. And the receipt be our number.
O see normal.
All right. The machine ya bro for je nyimara ye ya kase o.
Oje nyim ye pa.
Wow.
But first na yim ben no. Le ya na e poster.
I see.
Yim ben na ya na e poster. Then e lo
ba.
Ansana dam so about them posters in
my friend. I'm trying you know. Oh, okay, lovely. All right, so no answer, Mr. Mensah, no printing press. Now, but it's your boy, correct? Or your Menliza. Now, I mean, me multimedia, friend Appledel's multimedia from our Apia Mensah, and I may also say Odilia and Appledel's. Into me, just I was so here now. Within our correct. No answer, to you, to at least to have you have a feel of the printing press business here in Tarkwa. Until we meet again, this is Mr. Appiah Mensah. See you once again on the channel with another educationally entertaining program or fancy lesson program or other educative program of any sort. Until we meet again, I say bye-bye.